Now here is your beautiful living space. Now let's check out the kitchen space. Now this is your gorgeous master bedroom where you can set up your bed. Hello everyone, welcome to Housing. Today in this video we are doing a sample flat tour of Shubh Nirvana, which is located near New Airport Road, Viman Nagar, Pune, and developed by Shubh Developers. As you can see, I am at the actual location, and on my right hand side there is a sales office and the land parcel of this project. और उसी के आगे आपको मिल जाती है सिम्बायोसिस रोड, जो राइट साइड से कनेक्ट करती है विमान नगर और लेफ्ट साइड से कनेक्ट करती है लोहगांव. बट बिफोर डाइव इनटू द प्रोजेक्ट, लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट इज हाउसिंग. Housing is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, where if you do an inquiry, your number share with the other brokers, resulting lots of calls. Housing connects you directly with the builders, which means transparent pricing, genuine information, and hassle-free home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home today through Housing. Now let us discuss the project overview. This project is constructed on 7 acres of land parcel with 13 towers, which includes 2 basement plus ground plus 10 floors, having 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies. Now let us discuss the location and the connectivity of this project. As you can see, I am at the actual road and this project is located near New Airport Road, Viman Nagar, Pune. और इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है सिम्बायोसिस लॉ स्कूल जस्ट वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस, Pune International Airport 650 meters and Logaon Road 1 kilometers away. Now let us discuss the amenities of this project. This project has 25 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, clubhouse, kids play area, multi-purpose court, gym and many more. As you can see, I am at the entrance of the 3 BHK sample flat, which has a carpet area of 1337 square feet. Now this is the entrance, and at the entrance you get a digital door lock for security purpose. As soon as you enter, you get an entrance lobby where you can customize it with decorative items or you can set up a shoe rack. Now let's check out the living space. Now here is your beautiful living space where you can set up your couch and TV unit. You also get an attached balcony which has an anti-skid tiles, 3-side covering. Now let's check out the dining space. Now here is your beautiful dining space where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your breakfast, lunch and dinner with your friends and family. Now let's check out the kitchen space. Now here is your spacious kitchen where you get a granite platform with an attached sink and attached dry balcony. Here you will also get an attached sink where you can set up your washing machine and utilities. Now let's check out the first bedroom. But are you planning to buy a new home? तो मेरा एक strong recommendation है, हाउसिंग के राइट्स ऑफ होम बायर्स सीरीज ज़रूर देखिए. बहुत से होम बायर्स को उनके राइट्स के बारे में पता नहीं होता, चाहे वो बिल्डर कैंसिलेशन डिडक्शन हो या कंस्ट्रक्शन और लीकेज रिलेटेड इश्यूज. हमने सब कुछ सिंपल और इजी लैंग्वेज में एक्सप्लेन किया है, तो होम बाय करने से पहले इस सीरीज को ज़रूर देखिए, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. नाउ लेट्स चेक आउट द फर्स्ट बेडरूम. Now here is your first bedroom where you can set up your bed and a space for TV unit. You also get an attached large window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. Also, you get a space where you can set up your wardrobe. Now let's check out the second bedroom. Before that, let me show you the common sink and common washroom, which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer verified tiles. Now here is your second bedroom, which is very beautiful. Here you can set up your bed and a space for TV unit and dressing table. You also get an attached washroom which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. Also, you get an attached large window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. You also get a space where you can set up your wardrobe. Now let's check out the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you what Housey provides. Housey provides you with the sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schemes, 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Book your site visit today. Now let's check out the master bedroom. Now here is your way to master bedroom. As soon as you enter, you get an attached master washroom which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. Now this is your gorgeous master bedroom where you can set up your bed and a space for TV unit. You also get a walk-in wardrobe and attached balcony. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of Shubh Nirvana, which is located near New Airport, Viman Nagar, Pune and developed by Shubh Developers. For more information about this project, please click the below link and download your e-brochures and price sheet. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel and book your dream home today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.